Welcome to the beautiful Black Horse Garage. My name is John Bonanno and I'll be showing you this 2010 Ferrari California. Amazing car. Some people say this is the entry-level supercar. Beautiful lines. Look at these headlights. I just want to zoom in. This kind of caught my eye. We're going to do a short and sweet video to give you a better impression of the overall condition. This baby puts down over 450 horse, tons of torque. How can you not love it? Ceramic brakes. Look at these gills. Tradition meets modern excellence. Has the clear all over in the proper places. The owner took immaculate care of the vehicle. A lot of advances. This is fully loaded. We'll show you the Daytona seats when we get inside, all powered, reverse camera. You could see the wonderfully stacked, which I think was the first time Ferrari did it. If I'm incorrect, please correct me. All the aerodynamics in the rear. Never been hit, never been clean Carfax, never in an accident. The paint is in beautiful condition. There we go, there's Chocolate. She's got to make her appearance. Big brakes, fast, beautiful color. Wait until you see the first time Ferrari ever did a hardtop that comes down. And my favorite part is the engine, of course, right? I'm a Bonanno. It's got to be the engine. It's kind of like chunky soup, you know? It's in there, it's in there. So let's take a look at the forget the interior right now. We're going to go to the engine because it's my favorite part, and then we'll do the interior after that. Look at how beautiful this gorgeous thing is. All casted, handmade. I could just smell the torque. Beautiful workmanship. Red head. Even the cam covers, if you look in there, are red. Great craftsmanship, style, finesse, power, speed. This will get you to 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. But remember, this is entry-level supercar. Alright, now we're going to check out the interior. Now we're going to take a look at the interior, and to do that, we're going to put the top down. I love this kind of stuff. I think it took over 20 seconds. Anyway, let's go ahead and look at this beautiful interior. Alright, let's take a look at this beautiful interior. It's so easy to slide in because there's no top. And I know a lot of you taller guys, when you get in Ferraris, it's not the most comfortable thing. We hit the engage button. All digital dials. Great sounding car, right? Listen to that. Oh, that's awesome. There's nothing like it in the world. I want to show you the front and rear sensors with this. Makes it very practical. But look how clear that screen is. You could pull some real serious James Bond stuff with that. Beautiful console in here. Look at that Ferrari logo. Classy. Beautiful Daytona powered seats. See if we can get into the back here. Ferrari badges, and of course no top. We would love for you guys to come down and take a look at this car. This is an amazing facility. We have over $40 million worth of hardware here. So it's definitely worth the trip. It's like going to a rare museum that you're not allowed access to. Well, not to the public at least. We are completely transparent company, family owned, so you're more than welcome to have a pre-purchase inspection on the car. We will make any accommodations necessary. If they need a lift or anything like that, we will help them out. And we hope to see you guys soon. We appreciate you guys watching this, and if you want more photos and details of the car, please visit our website at blackhorsegarage.com. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.